This is my quick review and show my setup with Jeep WRANGLER TJ 1998. I bought this solar panel 100 watt from Costco about a year and a half ago. It was on sale. It's the type that folds. It's 100 watt. I didn't want to buy anything that's static. That's permanently installed in my Jeep because I want to be able to. I want something that I can just move around. Whether I need it for my Jeep, for my truck, or my RV, or whatever my bug out situation is, or overlanding. I know everybody says bug out, but that's pretty much what it is. Bug out is camping, boondocking. Anyway, this is my setup. I know my setup now. It's just a Goal Zero 100 watt panel. It folds. So like a briefcase, I'll show you guys later. And it uses hangers to hang, I guess, from Harborfeight. I bought a couple of them. Worked out really well. And I also installed this SAE input. One's coming in for solar, one output. And I did buy controller from eBay or from Amazon. It's like 15 bucks. So you can see it's charging. It's 13.1. Yeah, I like the SAE connectors because I'm gonna be able to just disconnect it if I want to. There's like a spaghetti bowl in here, but it makes sense to me. I also did run a inverter finally last night. Direct connected to the battery. For whatever reason, this is showing 12.8. It's probably because of the wire. It's too long. It's not thick enough. So I did use a 10 gauge. Anyway, that's my setup. Goal Zero 100 watt panel, foldable. Pretty clean setup. This strap did work out well. I was gonna use it for my bikes, but Jeep's more important.